When we talk about probability, we talk about how likely or unlikely an event can happen, and we use a probability line to indicate this probability of the event happening or not happening. Let us look at some simple examples. We can calculate the probability of it raining on the moon as being impossible, because we know the moon has no atmosphere and therefore it cannot rain on the moon. We can calculate the probability of the sun rising tomorrow as being certain, because this event happens every day without fail. And we can calculate the probability of a tossed coin landing on its heads or tails as being even, because there is an equal chance of it landing on its head or its tail. However, the probability scale could be used for much more than this. If we calculate the probability of an event happening as being somewhere between even and certain, we can say this event is likely to happen. And if we calculate the probability of an event happening as being somewhere between even and impossible, we can say this event is unlikely to happen. So far, we've used words to describe the probability of an event happening. The probability can be described as a decimal, as a percentage, or as a fraction. So the probability of it raining on the moon can be described as impossible, 0, or 0%. The probability of the sun rising tomorrow can be described as certain, as 1, or 100%. And the probability of a tossed coin landing on its heads or its tails can be described as even, 0.5, 50%, or as a half. So just to recap, if an event is never going to happen, it can be described as being impossible. If we are sure an event is going to happen, we can describe this event as being certain. And if there is an equal chance of the event happening or not happening, then we can describe this event as being evens. A probability can be described in words, decimals, percentages, or fractions. If we describe the probability of an event happening as lying between even and certain, we can say this event is likely to happen. If we can describe the probability of an event lying between even and impossible, then we can say this event is unlikely to happen.